This is the 12th day of our little lovebirds. And this is the 52nd day of our Galansyang bird. They're at their cage. And it's midnight. And the two lovebirds are right there. The female's there. Oh, flying. They're scared. Oh, there's the male. The female's acting like Spider-Man. Hi. I think that's the female. And then there's Birdie. Right there. Sitting quietly. Shy. Birdie wants to be friends with them, but they don't. They fly away. They're scared. Don't know why. Birdie. So cute. Birdie. Birdie's looking up. Okay, there's food under Birdie. Let's hope that he won't poop. Oh. Look at the lovebirds right there. Watching. And the female's just calm. Look at him. And the female is very strict. Like, yeah. There's the male. He's no longer not that shy. And then there's Birdie watching. No, he looked away. Birdie. The birds. Oh, Birdie. Oh no! You're going to mess up your food. They're not even yet friends. Birdie's still lonely. And Birdie tried to pick up. Birdie's doing the thing. Oh look, Birdie's... Oh no. Oh, Birdie. Oh, he's eating? The hell? Oh no, no. He's, I don't know what that called. Yung ginatuhik ang kuan. Yung wood. Stick wood. Yeah. I think Birdie doesn't like to eat bird food. Oh look, so cute. I think Birdie doesn't like to eat the bird food because I think sanay siya sa food namo, bread. Yeah. Yeah, Birdie wants to be friends with them. Look, Birdie is trying to be friends with them. Oh wait, no, he's not. Oh, look at Birdie's doing the one hand leg standing. From the Americans. Ninja Warrior. Oh look. Birdie. Oh look, he's eating the bird food. Oh no. Oh, Birdie doesn't know how to do it. Don't know how to do it. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this day in the life with our Birdie. Thanks for watching.